Hey, what's up there, TRW crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So on tonight's Ask Matt, we just finished up a Facebook Live, and we went over and we were answering some questions on the Facebook Live with a little Q&A. And one of the questions that came in was about customers and about if the customers are always right and different issues that have come up. So I thought this would be a great one to do on our Ask Matt here tonight since it was asked in the live. So the question was kind of are the customers always right? Because there are certain instances, of course, where they aren't always right. And some things are out of our control. One of those things that I ran into a lot that was completely out of my control. My business, we did everything we could to get the customer their product in time, but then we give it to UPS or USPS or FedEx or whatever the delivery service is, and then a snowstorm comes or a hurricane or a truck breaks down or all the different things that can happen, right? Well, technically, that isn't anything that was our fault, but if we mailed these shirts and this customer needed these shirts next day or they paid overnight shipping, they had to have them for an event or a family reunion or whatever it was, guess what? They're calling pissed off at me, right? Because they aren't going to blame it on UPS or USPS. And of course, UPS is going to give them their money back for the overnight shipping because they're going to fix what they did wrong. But we're, at the end of the day, is the ones that are kind of screwed, right? So there's not a whole lot you can do about some of those things. So then you also have the customers that are just kind of those PETA customers, and they aren't always right. So then it's just a matter of you deciding, do I want to fire this customer? Because believe me, you have a choice as well. Don't think that just because they're spending money with your business, you have to do it. All right. There's a lot of awesome customers. All of you guys, the TRW crew, you guys are awesome customers, and I appreciate the way that you guys are. But not all customers, and you're not going to make everybody happy. But the thing is stick to your guns, stick to your policies, come up with policies, have them sign off on different things when it comes to picking colors and glitter and stone colors and shirt sizes and all these things. Make sure they sign off on this, because if they sign off on it, stick to it, all right? Because if they get that color and it's a little bit off, or they get that size and it doesn't fit them anymore, it's a little small, it's a little big, hey, sorry about it, but you signed off on this. This is what you told me you needed. So if you want another one, you know what? I'll give you a little bit of a discount on it because I feel bad, but I'm not making a new one for free because you made a mistake. And I'll let customers know that they made a mistake. Hey, I'll help you out a little bit for your mistake. But hey, just make sure next time that it's the exact color, the exact size, everything that you want. So there's all different types of scenarios. And I could sit here and talk for 5 hours about all the different customers and the different scenarios that we've had with our business, whether it was the finished product side of it or the Rhinestone World side of it. But it's at the end of the day, it's up to you. Okay. You need to decide, okay, is this a good customer? Do I just need to take care of them this time? I know it was their fault, but I'm just going to take care of them because they're a great customer. They're always doing stuff with us. Maybe this customer is always that PETA customer. Hey, different story. You know what? I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this customer and all the issues that they give us and the headaches. Every single time they order, there's always a problem. You know what? When you call in for the next order, sorry, we can't do it. You're going to have to find somebody else. And they're shocked. Believe me, it's a reality check for them as well. So let them know their $50, their $100, their $500 order might not be worth it to you. And if it isn't, then just don't do it. There's plenty of customers out there. Go get some good ones. So hopefully, again, like I said, there's a million different scenarios when it comes to this, but hopefully these are a few that can help you guys out. Your customers are what your business, they're the heartbeat of your business. They're what keeps your business alive. So yes, of course, you need customers, because without customers, you don't have a business, but you don't have to take every single customer. There's millions of customers out there. Find some good ones. If there are some that are a pain every single time, it's not going to change. So you decide if it's worth it or not. So thanks for watching. Of course, if you like these Ask Mats, please click the like button. let me know. Click that like button right there while you're watching it, right here. You can do it right now. Click the little like button. Just click it. Click the like button and comment below. Give me some more questions for the Ask Matt. And if you aren't on the Facebook page more often, we just finished up a Facebook Live at 11 p.m. tonight here Eastern Time. We had a lot of awesome questions, did a lot of cool things, and they got some crazy coupons. So, hey, show up to some Facebook Lives and you might get some of that as well. So, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will be back on tomorrow, Friday, right? Monday through Friday. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see you guys then. Later.